Alright guys, same doing a review on this, folks. This is mango habanero. And these are, check this out, gluten-free. And here are the ingredients. If you guys want to read that, pause the video. Here's the nutrient panel. Alright, we're going to do a quick taste test, see if these are any good. So they're basically puffed potatoes. Yeah, I saw these at a local grocery store, non-GMO, so try it out. Let's see if it actually has a mango flavor. There it is. Okay, so the heat is very subtle. It doesn't hit you right away. It hits you at the end of when you finish it. The mango, I really don't taste the mango too much actually. It's just more of the heat. And just like a potato. That's about it. Heat, salt, not so much mango. Maybe that little, there's a little like almost citric acid to it. So maybe that's what they meant by mango. So if you have any questions, comments, guys, post below, subscribe to the channel.